So we're here at Grand Tech, which is now owned by Natural Stone Surfaces, and they have a water treatment system in here, which is not one of ours. And the customer has been down for 2 days, having problems with this pump group. They asked us to come and sort out the job for them, so we have replaced the panel with one of our panels, which is mounted in there. Say hello, Thomas.
Hello.
We put in a new pump skid, which is significantly bigger, and we now gives them 5.5 bar of sustained pressure. We have replaced the filter press output air release valve, butterfly valve, with a screw pump, which now pumps the mud directly into the bags, so they've got no problem now with water capacity reducing because the mud's backing up in the silo because the press isn't working. My personal feeling on presses is that they are great in natural stone, although they require a lot of maintenance, but in countertops they are hugely problematic, and we end up taking quite a lot of them out. So we've continued to use what the customer already has, which is the silo disappearing into overflowing into a clean water tank. The clean water tank has a split in the pipe which the customer has to sort out, but we've also installed in here now 2 sets of level probes which control the level in the pit. So when the tank is full, it stops the pump pit, much like our systems run. And we've also set in, because they use some city water, we've also set in another set of probes which control a automatic discharge circuit. So when the system becomes too full, it will release water into recycled clean water into a drain. So the customer has been down for 2 days. We came in about 11 o'clock this morning, and they are up and running with better pressure than they've ever had in here.